We visited Niagara Falls, which is in between the border of the United States of America and Canada. The falls can be viewed in a panoramic view in Ontario, Canada. This falls is on the side of the American side, which is called the American Falls, but it can be viewed panoramically in Canada. There are three falls here: the American Falls, the Horseshoe Falls, and another bridal falls on the American sides. Magkatabi sila ng Horseshoe Falls on the side of Canada. Itong bridge na to ang nagdugtong sa Amerika at saka ang Canada. Yan ang Buffalo sa New York, which you can see the falls. In this side is Ontario, Canada. Ito naman ang Niagara River that connects to the Lawrence River and discharges to the Atlantic Ocean. That is Niagara Falls. So the Niagara Falls is in my back, and this is the Niagara Park. We traveled from Toronto about 1.5 hours to come and see these beautiful falls. They have also zip lines here. You can buy a ticket at the other side, or you can buy a ticket for the boating down there. When going down there, you have to put on your raincoat kasi pwede kang mabasa. Ngayon, di masyado yung tao kasi pero pag weekends, madami daw tao dito. And the boundary of Canada and the United States. So we are in the side of Canada, and the other side is United States, which is Buffalo. Buffalo is part of New York. So on the other side, that is United States of America. You can cross that bridge on that. Ang boundary lang ng United States sa kayong Canada ay itong Niagara River na ito. Itong falls daw na to ay almost 170 to 190 feet high. Yan ang American Falls. So on the other side is the Horseshoe Falls. 90% of it is on the Canadian side, 10% sa America. So we are on the Canadian side. The falls is in Buffalo, New York. So that is New York. And not only this, yan ang zip line. It has another falls on the other side, which is a very beautiful one. That is the other one. And then you have the bridge there, the other side. Magpa-refresh tayo man, tani nagpudot na kita yung air balloon doon. Pagkatapos natin uminom nito, maghahanap na naman tayo ng washroom. Maaraw ngayon, kahit 19 degrees, mainit, scorching sunlight, pero malamig siya na nakakasunog nga lang yung init. This is another angle where you can view the American Bridal Falls. Niagara Falls lahat yan, kaya lang tinawag na American Falls dahil nasa side siya ng Amerika. Pwede kang magbuting sa baba, magkaputi na lang para ma-view yung view ng falls pataas. Lakad kami at malapit na kami dito sa Horseshoe Falls on the side of Canada and America. Ito ang Horseshoe Falls. We are nearer to the center. Niagara Falls, both Canada and United States. Nag-U-ship data. And that is the United States side. And this side is Canada. Okay, we are nearer to the center. So again, that is the side. 90% ng falls na to ay sa Canada, 10% is in the American side. Ang tubig na yan ay galing sa Ontario Lake at saka Lake Erie. malalaking mga lake ang mga to kung saan yung mga glaciers nagtutunaw, bumababa dito sa mga lake at dito naman ang bagsakan nila. Kaya ang tubig na to ay icy. Malamig siya. Pag nag-i-sprinkle, mararamdaman mo talaga yung lamig. Parang yung tubig sa refrigerator, yung malamig as in. Ang Ontario Lake at saka Lake Erie ay dalawa sa malalaking lake dito sa probinsya ng Ontario kung saan nanggagaling yung malakas na tubig na yan. As you can see, ang lakas ng sprinkle dahil malapit na tayo. Nandun na tayo talaga sa harap ng falls. Ito na yung tubig. This side is Canadian side. Nagyo gaminday pa. On that other side is the US side. Ito, ang lakas-lakas ng tubig. Grabe. Ang Niagara Falls ay binubuo ng tatlong falls yan. The American Falls, the Horseshoe Falls, at itong Horseshoe Falls, 90% is Canada, 10% is American. Ito na yung bunganga ng Horseshoe Falls on the Canadian side at saka yung 10% doon is the American side.